All right, large one-bedroom apartment here on the Upper West Side, right off Central Park. Exposed brick. Huge living room. We got a kitchen with a dishwasher and a bathroom. All pretty standard. But wait until you see the huge roof deck. Going down a few steps to the living room. Sunken living room. Beautiful fireplace. Not sure if it's wood burning, but it might be. We'll have to check. There are very few that are. Here you have the bedroom. One window out onto the roof deck. All southern exposure. So you get plenty of light in the summer, winter, especially winter. And here you have two closets. Okay. So now make that go down. And maybe we can level it again. We have a little storage space up top. And off we go to see the lovely roof deck. It is fall out here in New York, so we do have a little bit of change in the leaves, the ivy on the adjacent buildings. Obviously this roof deck would be your garden. You'd have to put your own plants in. Hopefully this construction will go away. Somebody's fixing something as usual. And there's some of the neighbors' yards. But a very, very large deck indeed. Outdoor space is at a premium here in Manhattan, especially on the Upper West Side, right off the park. Back into the apartment. Give me a call if you'd like to see this or anything similar for rent or for sale. Christopher Butt, 917-721-0202. Again, 917-721-0202. City Habitat Real Estate Agency here in New York. Upper West Side. Thank you.